Hello and welcome. This is Michele Christensen of OneNote Worthy Life, and this is a quick tutorial on the Sort Pages feature in OneNote. I'm filming in OneNote for Windows 10, so if your screen looks a little bit different than mine, or you don't see the Sort Pages feature, it might be because you're using a different device or version of OneNote. This feature just showed up for me about 2 weeks ago, but people ask me about it all the time, so I was really excited to see an easy way to sort pages because I think it's going to be really useful to a lot of people. One of the things to watch for with OneNote features is that they sometimes just show up and you might not hear about it or even notice the feature when it does show up. So you have three options to sort in OneNote using the Sort Pages option. Whenever you do a sort, it will only operate on the pages that are within the section you're in. And in my case, on the screen we're looking at, this is my list of pages in the section we're in. So when I sort these, it only acts on these pages. It doesn't sort any of the other pages in your notebook or elsewhere. All three of the sort methods, alphabetical, date created, and date modified, can be sorted either in ascending or descending order. And in case you're not familiar with it, the date modified is the last date you worked on the page or made a change to it. So let's get in and take a look at how these work. So the first thing I'm going to do is try an alphabetical sort. And you can see that it started with this page that begins with the number 3 is on top, and then it goes in alphabetical order after that. When I click this button, you can see the arrow is pointing upward. Which means it's alphabetical ascending, so the beginning of the alphabet's on top. I can click it a second time and it flips it to descending, so that means the beginning of the alphabet's at the bottom. So I'm going to flip it back to ascending, and then we'll try the second sort option, which is date created. So what I did to show this is I made these pages in an order that didn't correspond with the alphabetical order. So I'm going to go in and show you these. So I actually created most of them on the same night. This one was at 7:22 p.m. You can see that right under the page name here, next to the date. This one was at 7:21 p.m., 7:20 p.m., 7:19 p.m., going all the way down to the bottom. Oops. Second to the bottom, which was at 7:15 p.m. So you can see the newest page is on top. And again, I could flip that so that the newest page was on the bottom. This page here is a placeholder page, and I created it a long time ago, and I actually removed the creation date, so it doesn't seem to factor that in when I do the sort. Because I'll show you again, if I flip this into the ascending, it's on the top now. So I think it just puts it at the end or the beginning because it doesn't have a date created. So our last sort option is date modified. And what I did to show this was just went in and made some random modifications on pages so that they would sort in a way that doesn't correspond with either alphabetical or date created. Unfortunately, there's no real way to show you the date that I modified each page, but what I would say is just watch this page list here that I'm moving up and down on. And you'll see this change when I change the sort order to date modified. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, click date modified, and you can see things moved around a little bit. And as with the other sort options, we can also flip it to the descending order. Now the one thing I want to show you is I'm going to go ahead and make a modification on this grapes page. And then if I sort by date modified, grapes is the most recently modified page. And this lemons page, I modified it right before I filmed. So you can see kind of how this works, that as soon as I modified the grapes page, it's now the most recently modified, goes right to the top. Now the one thing I want to point out is that there is no option to undo this. Usually there's an option to undo your most recent action in OneNote. You'd find that up here in under the home key, there's a backwards pointing arrow here, and that will usually undo the last thing you did. But you can see it's grayed out, so I can't click it and nothing happens when I try. but you can undo your sort by clicking None. And this puts the pages back into the order that they were in when I started the video. So like my placeholder slide's right on top, and then the next slide I went to is the next one down. So no undo function, but you do have the option to click None, and it'll put your slides back in the order they were before you sorted. So that's it for today. Just a quick tutorial on how the Sort Pages option works in OneNote. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about this video or anything you think I could help you with, comment down below and I'll do my best to answer you. If you want to see more OneNote tutorials as well as live streams with other OneNote fans and related content on goal setting, life management, and personal organization, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button, and if you like this, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.